નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, આજે આપણે અંગ્રેજી ગ્રામરમાં ખૂબ જ અગત્યનો ટોપિક વન વર્ડ સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન એટલે કે આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં શબ્દ સમૂહ માટે એક શબ્દ કહીએ છીએ તેવી રીતે અંગ્રેજી ગ્રામરમાં વન વર્ડ સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન આપણે જોઈશું. તો વિડીયો અંત સુધી જોશો. એ વીક પર્સન જેને ઇનવેલિડ કહેવાય. એ પર્સન બોસ્ટિંગ ઓફ હિમસેલ્ફ એટલે ઇગોઇસ્ટ. એન એક્ટ ઓફ કિલિંગ હિમસેલ્ફ સુસાઇડ. ટુ રૂલ અવર વિથ એબ્સોલ્યુટ પાવર ઓટોક્રેસી. Final notice or warrant, ultimatum. System of a marriage in which a man or a woman marries a one person, monogamy. Something which can be carried easily, portable. A barren place, sterile. A person who spend extravagantly, thrift अथवा तो prodigal. An event to make the beginning of something, inauguration. A small planet, satellite. Writing on a grave, epitaph. A group of artists, troops. A person who leaves his country to settle in another country, immigrant. Something which is tiresome, fastidious. An insect with many legs, centipede. A number of ships, fleet. A disease which is peculiar to a country, endemic. A specially built room for grain, granary. Something which is eatable, edible. A person who kills a well-known person, assassin. A person found guilty by a court, convict. Something that is prohibited by law, illicit. The best person, elite. A group of soldiers who are in fortress, garrison. Without preparation, extempore. A place where horses are kept, stable. A thing or a person of little value, despicable. Fixed amount paid regularly to a wife by her husband, alimony. A stay for some time, sojourn. A person speaking two languages, bilingual. A person who is banished from his country, exile. One who loves his one's own country, patriot. An act of mass killing, genocide. One who is unable to pay one's debt, insolvent. Disbeliever in the existence of God, atheist. Total abstainer from intoxicant, teetotaler. Something which is payable, potable. A dead body of an animal, carcass. An animal or plant living upon another, parasite. A person who helps another in doing crime, accomplice. System of marriage in which a husband has more than one wife, polygamy. System of a marriage in which a woman has more than one husband, polyandry. A person bearing blame due to others, scapegoat. Foretelling future events, prophecy. A person who runs away, fugitive. A house of bees, hive. A room in a hospital where a dead body is stored, morgue. A dead body of a man, corpse. A very difficult situation, deadlock. A brief biography of a dead person, obituary. Man who eats human flesh, cannibal. One who is present everywhere, omnipresent. An act done with the support of all, omnimous. One who eats everything, omnivorous. A sensible person, judicious. To rise against authority, mutiny. An animal which lives on plants and grass, herbivorous. Something which is related to marriage, matrimonial. Image of something seen continuing when the eyes are closed, spectrum. તો મિત્રો આવા જ વિડીયો જોવા માટે મારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને વિડીયો શેર પણ કરશો. આભાર.